You worked with Alia Bhatt, you worked with Malaika Arora. What are some of the tools that you've given them?
Is Malaika's favorite.
Okay.
We've called it the Alia Bhatt massager because one morning we woke up and she was all over YouTube using our massager, which was amazing. Nothing can permanently reverse aging. Not even plastic surgery. But face yoga can take 5 years off your face. बहुत सारे podcasts में बहुत सारे dermatologists कहते हैं that face yoga is a scam. My battle actually starts with the Botox or fillers and the fact that this industry is... I don't believe in retinol. Very unpopular opinion. I think retinol has a lot of side effects. Alternative available, which is organic, Cosmos France certified, called...
ये जो फेस योगा है, इनके roots it traces back to Ayurveda. Let's demonstrate this 5-step process.
Let's start with...
Entire process जो अभी आपने कहा, it takes 1 minute.
It takes 1 minute. You can get immediate results.
Wow.
Whatever is happening at a gut level, at a liver level, at an ovary level or a hormone level, you can actually see that on your face. And that is where you keep doing this one basic, and overall you'll get better skin, better health, better hair, lower inflammation and so much more.
Somebody is considering plastic surgery. Are there alternatives for face yoga to give a similar effect?
जॉलाइन के लिए आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. उसके अलावा
What about nose thinning or shaping, जिसके लिए काफ़ी सारे लोग nose job करते हैं.
नोज जॉब जैसा रिजल्ट नहीं दे सकती मैं for sure. But this is not me talking. Actually, red light therapy was developed by NASA because when they're astronauts, Harvard School of Medicine has shown and done the research on the direct implication of face massage to gut health improvement.
Wow.
Stretch marks can be avoided if you actually...
Welcome to Realign Vibhuti. It's so lovely to have you and looking forward to a long chat with you.
Pleasure's all mine. Thank you for the opportunity and looking forward.
So let's get right into it, right? The beauty industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. And जैसे टाइम जा रहा है, लोग फेस क्रीम, प्रोसीजर्स, सर्जरी पे काफ़ी पैसे इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. बट एक कॉन्ट्ररी ओपिनियन है कि age-old traditions, right, like Ayurveda and what you're here to talk about, which is face yoga, वो equally effective है.
Yeah.
There is a debate. What do you think is the truth?
Well, I think it's a parallel industry, and face yoga is the form of exercising the 57 plus muscles of your face. With the beauty procedure industry, जहाँ पे आप जाओ, बैठो, एक इंजेक्शन लगाओ और बाहर चले जाओ. Looks to be easier, simpler, और हमें मेहनत करना तो वैसे ही नहीं पसंद है.
तो वो एक सबसे ज़्यादा एडवांटेज होता है, बताया जाता है कि इंस्टेंटेनियस होगा, right?
Correct.
Like you take an injection, for example, one injection that's very popular, it's Profilo,
Yes.
which is just on the first layer of your skin. What are your thoughts about the effectiveness and the quickness जो ये procedures promise करते हैं?
मेरी to be very honest, Profilo से कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है. Because Profilo, as you rightly said, it's injectables of hyaluronic acid into the first layer of the skin. My problem or my battle actually starts with the Botox or fillers and the fact that this industry is only up for selling. बहुत सारे podcasts में बहुत सारे dermatologists कहते हैं that face yoga is a scam, without even letting the end consumer talk about or try a more natural, holistic appearance to beauty. And that is truly where my vision to disrupt this beauty industry started, because of a more personal journey as well. When I moved to Delhi, I was hit by lupus. And while lupus is a body issue, for me it started with the face. And first year of marriage, it was so difficult for me to go to work.
Really?
Because, forget parties, forget meeting people, But the fact that my office maybe, you can't cover, how much can you cover with makeup when your skin is cracking, your skin is bleeding, you're irritable, आपका confidence भी low हो जाता है. I went to so many doctors. Nobody had a solution for me. One of the doctors said, आप biopsy करो, आप laser करो, fractional laser करो. अब inflamed skin barrier पे आप laser करोगे तो you're only going to worsen the case. And that is where I decided that कुछ गड़बड़ है. I'm an educated woman. I can understand, do my own research. Yoga finds you. I resorted to yoga, started practicing yoga, and that is where I actually made it my mission to put across face yoga to everybody else, and that's what I'm trying to do. Disrupt this billion-dollar industry and bring face yoga to the forefront to create a more parallel arm. As I always joke about it, or wrinkle up the Botox industry.
So जो अभी आपकी स्किन है,
हाँ जी.
कितना समय लगा from that skin to what it is today, so that
बहुत
everybody
साल.
can see it, right?
Yes, many years. This happened. I was hit in 2013.
Okay.
और आज हम 2024 में बैठे हैं.
Almost
ऐसा नहीं-
2025.
2025, yes. एंड ऐसा नहीं है दैट आज भी मुझे अटैक नहीं आता है SLE का. डिसरप्शंस आते हैं, बट व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड इज़ हाउ टू कंट्रोल माई ट्रिगर्स. एंड जो मंथली अटैक्स थे अब उनको ईयरली अटैक्स या बाई ईयरली अटैक्स में कन्वर्ट करना. एंड देन यू हाइबरनेट for a bit. But if I am practicing my face yoga, if I'm keeping my stress levels down, if I'm eating right, because a lot of it starts with food.
Yeah.
And my biggest trigger is capsicum and bell peppers. Can you imagine? So then skin is well maintained. I'd say जो आप देख रहे हो ये पिछले 8 साल की मेहनत है.
Okay. So it's a long term process. कोई immediate response नहीं मिलेगा. जो ये देख रहे हैं, they may think that okay, I'll start face yoga and I'll do it for a week, for example. और मुझे तुरंत इसके effect दिखाई देंगे. What would you like to say to them?
If you don't have an underlying skin condition such as mine, or you don't have cystic acne, or you don't have rosacea, you can get immediate results.
Wow.
And that is the beauty of the structure we've been able to create at House of Beauty. That is why people are, the affinity towards face yoga actually came into being. But अगर आपकी underlying skin condition है, then yes, it can take anywhere from 1 to 3 months for us to analyze, make you go through the process, and then come up with a solution.
और ये जो फेस योगा है, इनके रूट्स इट ट्रेसेस बैक टू आयुर्वेदा. तो टॉक टू मी अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट एक्चुअली फेस योगा क्या है, हाउ डू वी लुक एट इट इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्चुअली अ ट्रीटमेंट, जो आप पहले कह रहे थे कि इट्स टर्म्ड अ स्कैम.
Yeah.
सो ये पूरे प्रोसेस के बारे में टेल अस अ लिटिल बिट मोर.
So face yoga is actually, or my structured method of face yoga is a combination of traditional face yoga, for example Simhasana, lioness pose or fish face, which are present in Gheran Samhita, Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Ayurveda is a sister concern, जहाँ पे face massage, abhyanga आता है. Then there is acupressure and there's Chinese medicine. Combining this to my 5-step technique with pranayam or cool down is what I promote as face yoga.
Okay, so let's demonstrate this 5-step process, right? So that our viewers can have a little bit of a taste कि actually इसमें जाता क्या है, and they're not just terms.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So let's start with facial stretching, because this is my 1-minute विभूति massage, and I tell everybody अगर आपको 1-minute विभूति massage पसंद है या पता है तो आपको दुनिया का कोई भी टूल यूज़ कर सकते हो. आप गॉड सेंट टूल अपने हाथ यूज़ कर सकते हो, and you will never ever do a wrong facial movement or motion to do something wrong negatively
Correct.
on your face. The structure of this massage, we divide the face. I live by the principle of 5-5-5. So we divide the face into 5 structured zones. Zone 1 is from the corner of our lips So we target the drooping of the lips, we target the double chin or the jawline, the jowl, and it goes till your earlobe point. If you touch this point, it might pain as well because this is an acupressure point. We store the entire stress of our face here. Zone 2, we start at your gut health point, go all the way up till your temple, lifting the zygomatic muscles or the largest muscles of your face, the cheek muscles. Yeah. Zone 3 is your entire eye. So the ring muscles of your eye, whether it's dark circles, whether it's puffiness, we all wake up to puffiness. We all have a little bit of eye drooping here and there. So we target that every day in 60 seconds of your life. Zone 4 is your entire forehead and zone 5 is your entire neck because your lymph nodes are present here and here. And when you do this first thing in the morning, I always lead by jokes. So when I'm trying to explain this to somebody, I ask, as I shall to you too, do you wake up and brush your teeth in the morning?
Yeah.
That is when you are going to do this massage.
Okay.
Now, hopefully, you'll never forget to do it.
Yeah. Never.
Never.
Okay.
You take some face oil. You should never do this massage without face oil. Activate the ingredients. Use this part of your palm. Place it firmly across zone 1 and then go lifting across like this 3 times with medium to firm pressure. Now you place smile. First thing in the morning, we learn so much about manifestation. Start the day right, start the day on a positive note. We forget basic practices. Look at yourself, feel empowered, smile at yourself, lift this muscle up 6 times.
Okay.
De-stress your temples. Take the same oil into 2 fingers. Make an A. Swipe across that lymphatic fluid. Lift it up and then initiate a drainage twice to depuff the under eye. Make a V. Swipe across. Lift. Drain again because there's puffiness all around your upper eyelid as well. Take this part of your thumb and do 20 opposite forehead swipes. I am carving my destiny today is a little bit of a chant I like people to say. I am not going to frown today. I'm not going to worry about things. I'm going to start my day on a positive note while doing this motion. Then you take some more face oil and you do 6 C's onto zone 5 here. Because whatever muscle stress, whatever lymphatic fluid you've initiated, you need to initiate a drain down your neck as well. And then once you've done that, you do a 3-finger tuck, look at the ceiling, pout, close your eyes, come back and relax. Why, if you ask me? Because every night, the night before, I'm sure everyone's on Instagram or YouTube watching Humans of Bombay's podcast. And we are creating an illusion of a double chin. Now in yoga, every left has a right, every front has a back. So you're actually doing a counter motion first thing in the morning so that your jawline is chiseled and defined as your favorite celebrity.
And this entire process, जो अभी आपने कहा, it takes 1 minute?
It takes 1 minute.
Okay. So we'll obviously give everybody the counts that you've said and hope that people can at least start by doing this and see the results. I have a question here that you mentioned at the beginning कि we have 57 muscles in our face. There's often there's a thought or a debate कि जो हमारे स्किन पे ब्रेकआउट होते हैं या डार्क स्पॉट्स, डीकलरेशन, wrinkles, puffiness is also sometimes a manifestation of something internal जो बॉडी में हो रहा है. इसमें कितनी सच्चाई है?
100%.
Okay.
For example, you know, आप acupressure करते हो. All of your hands and feet are linked to different organs. The same acupressure mapping happens on the face because the neurons or the nerve endings are also present here. Whatever is happening at a gut level, at a liver level, at an ovary level or a hormone level, you can actually see that on your face, whether it is in the form of acne, whether it is in the form of pigmentation, whether it is in the form of dark circles, whether it's in the form of stress. In my book, my teacher's training book, I have actually divided individuals into 5 categories, A, B, C, D, E, where you can do predictive aging, not just from a surface level, but from an intrinsic level as well. For example, if you are a hyperactive individual, you will be lean, you will have a certain personality type, you cannot sit, so you'll be restless. Now, this person will always have 11 lines, will always have dehydrated skin, will always have an irritable bowel syndrome. And that is where the inside out beauty of face yoga comes out. So I also tell this to our clients that you come to me for beautification, but you actually leave with beauty wellness, because now we understand whether you have a gut issue, whether you are extremely stressed in life, whether you're not sleeping enough for some odd reason, whether you have an hormone issue. But we also learn where to draw the line and then guide them to a practitioner.
So, मुझे एक example दीजिए, right? Let's map the condition to a typical blanket जो cause हो सकता है. For example, acne, या wrinkles, या pigmentation, dark spots. एक let's draw a comparison कि ये बॉडी पार्ट का जो इफेक्ट है वो एक्ने में मैनिफेस्ट होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल. सो वी कैन डू दैट.
सो एक्ने के बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स होते हैं. There's acne, there's clogged pores, there's whiteheads, blackheads, papules, and cystic acne. अगर आपको forehead पे acne है, which looks like whiteheads, chances are, of course, you have dandruff, so there's an infection. But if it is cystic acne or thick like pimples or red, inflamed, then there's a very high chance that your liver condition is disbalanced. Similarly, if you have acne on your upper cheek, this means that there's something wrong with your gut. Your gut health is imbalanced. If you have acne around your jawline or your chin, your hormone health is imbalanced. This typically also happens post 40, 45 in a perimenopausal state. Women typically do not get acne here in their teenage years unless they're going through PCOD, PCOS, because today there are lifestyle related issues. But this form of acne will only come when you're in your 40s. When you're in your teenage years, you'll get it around the cheeks, because that's where your stomach is not okay. With kids, they tend to have a lot of junk food. Their stress levels are also equally high. We forget about teenage stress levels, and that's where correction comes into being. Now, if you get acne on the tip of your nose, that means your blood circulation is not okay. Your immune system, which is your lymphatic system as well, is not functioning properly. Maybe you're not getting enough exercise, and that's a direct sign that there's some imbalance in your body.
What about things like dark spots?
So dark spots typically come either because your acne has left marks, you haven't used sunscreen in your primitive years, your younger years, or it's hereditary, because a lot of people tend to get dark spots, skin tarts post 50 in life as well. Pigmentation also is a condition. Pigmentation, melasma, there are multiple names, hyperpigmentation. There's a disbalance in your body. Sometimes you do certain laser treatments that actually lead to pigmentation. CO2 being one. I'm seeing a lot of cases where people have done the CO2 laser and then are coming back with pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, photosensitivity as issues. Or plain simple, you just didn't use sunscreen. And that's why you've developed pigmentation.
Okay. So, जैसे आपने कहा कि there's some body part that's related, right? So, what is the solution? Say that if there is a gut problem, and I'll tie this back to what you said in the beginning, is that diet is so important for the overall wellness and well-being. And सभी लोग यही कहते हैं कि it's not just an external process, जो आप body के अंदर भी डालते हो वो बहुत ही important है. So on a holistic level, ये अगर people are identifying that this is what's happening, or I can maybe relate it to this issue, solution क्या है?
Solution इसका है, of course, lowering your cortisol level, practicing yoga, practicing face yoga, practicing small hacks, as I like to call it, because nobody has the time in today's day and age to do like long processes. मैं आयुर्वेदिक रिट्रीट में जाके 10 दिन नहीं निकाल सकती हूँ पर मैं 10 मिनट शायद रोज़ अपने लिए निकाल सकती हूँ. So habit formation is one. Lowering your stress levels is two. This is now for a common individual. But if there is a underlying issue which is adverse or chronic, then we do a in-depth analysis of an individual's food habits, daily lifestyle, from the minute they wake up to the minute they go to bed, from the first thing that goes in their mouth to the last thing that goes in their mouth. And I always tell them, go in for a skin prick or an 83 allergy test, because now a list of food allergens is going to come out, and that was the only thing that actually helped me control my SLE as well.
That's how you realized
That's
that
how I realized.
I can't eat capsicum, for example, or
Yes.
bell peppers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So a list of allergens will come out. Now, what also happens in this process is you may be allergic to something at different intervals of your life. So when I'm younger, my body, my stomach, and the enzymes, the acids which are released, have the ability to overcome that allergen. So I might not see the effect. But as my organ is aging, I'm going to see the effect far more adversely as I'm aging. And that is where you keep doing this one basic test at least every 10 years to understand what's happening intrinsically. And overall, you'll get better skin, better health, better hair, lower inflammation, and so much more.
Okay. So this ये जो test है, it basically gives you a realistic view कि अभी आपके body में what is working or not working.
Yeah.
Simply put.
Yeah.
Okay. When you go one step forward, right, and you always speak about supplementary. Yeah, it's parallel. So there are 2 or 3 things that that work together as a combination.
Yeah.
वो combination आपके लिए क्या था? One is face yoga.
Yeah.
What did you combine it with?
I combined it with pranayam, breath work. I combined it with the power of touch.
Okay.
Because what I did not realize when I moved to a new city was acceptance. My body was going through a lot of emotional changes, making new friends, finding yourself in a new city. A lot of us are lost in the crowd as well, right? And that is where I realized that simple. I started reading a lot, so I realized the power of touch. Hugging my husband every day made a big difference. And today there's a research that's come up. Husbands who hug their wife before work every day actually tend to live 5 years longer. This is the latest research which has come in. But these small techniques actually helped me be a calmer person and overcome my own skin issue. Also, reading skincare ingredients. Now, remember 13 years ago, there was no clean beauty brand present in the country.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very new.
It's very new. I started reading those ingredients 13 years ago to understand, is it the SLE which is causing this dermatitis? Is it the parabens? Is it the silicone? Is it eggs that I'm including in my diet? So understanding, breaking down everything, and then eliminating the inflammatory causes out is what really helped me. I know 13 years ago, all I would apply was this ghee cream I made at home. तब मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि आयुर्वेदा में इसको शत धौती घी एक क्रीम है. हम दादी नानियों से सुनते हैं. So my nani said, you whip the ghee and you apply it to soothe your skin, and that's what I did. So these small habits actually took me a long way, and my journey into face yoga began from there.
Okay. So let's go into the debate of plastic surgery versus face yoga, जो काफ़ी popular debate है, especially online. And there are varied opinions, varied views, of course, some from experience, some just from what they've heard or what they've seen. What we want to do is say that somebody is considering plastic surgery. Are there alternatives for face yoga to give a similar effect? So I'll give you the use case, और आप बता सकते हो कि उसमें ऐसी कोई एक्सरसाइज है जो हम कर सकते हैं that gives us a similar and desired effect? Okay.
Sure. Pehle, I would like to give a little clarification here. Plastic surgery is a very strong term. Face yoga is the direct alternative to cosmetic aesthetics.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, broadly वो सब plastic surgery में आता है, but typically an individual goes in for plastic surgery अगर आपको facial tumor है, आपको वो निकालना है, you need skin grafting. So setting the context right there is very important. So yes, now when we are talking about cosmetic aesthetics or cosmetic procedures, there is a direct alternative in face yoga to that.
Okay, perfect. So let's do the first one, right? Fuller lips के लिए lip fillers. Is there an exercise?
Yes, there is.
Okay.
So you can basically take your hand, take your index finger, put it on your middle finger. There is this ring muscle of your lip. If you just very, very firmly press this in circles about 6 to 8 times all over, and we do this together right now, immediately you'll see that your upper lip is plumpened. I use this technique for correction of facial asymmetry as well, not just fillers. Today, teenagers, youngsters, 21-year-olds want to go in for fillers, yeah? And that's where I tell all of the mothers, teach them this. If they don't want that, they want to spend money. Everybody wants to buy new shiny things. Get a bunch of face cups. I'll show you. Get a bunch of face
So
cups.
this is ये face cup है.
ये फेस कप है. ये सक्शन थेरेपी भी कहलाई जाती है. फिजियोथेरेपी में when you have like back spasm or you want to de-stress the muscle, bigger, larger sized cups.
Like it's wet cupping.
Wet cupping, hot cupping, fire cupping, multiple forms of cupping, but suction therapy is what it is. And you pinch it. Do this about 6 to 8 times and immediately you'll get fuller lips.
But ये last करता है.
ये सिर्फ 6 से 8 घंटे लास्ट करता है, and that's why consistency and long-term usage is important.
Okay. What about skin tightening और lifting के जो procedures होते हैं?
Skin tightening and lifting के लिए अगर आप रोज़ मेरी pinky pinches exercise करें, जहाँ पे you bend your index finger, take your thumb, get hold of the zygomatic muscle, lift this muscle upwards, yeah, and I'll do this all the way like this. You will immediately see a major lift on your face. इसके अलावा मेरी cheek whipping motion भी है, where if we just hold our face and then lift this, whip it all the way across. In fact, if I may request you to volunteer to do this with me, you will see an instant lift on half of our faces.
Okay.
So you lift it. So आप अपना face lift कीजिए. And then zone 1. मैंने बताया था एक बार ही आपको वो 1 minute विभूति मसाज पता है, face yoga becomes super easy. I'll do it for you.
How many times do you do it?
About 20 times. So it will take about 2 minutes to do this. I've done it for under, but if there is, I'm sure you can see.
Yeah, you can. Okay.
Yeah? And this is the droopy side of my face. Like all of us sleep on one side and that side gets droopy. This lift will again last you at least 24 hours.
Really?
So you'll correct the other side as well. And imagine doing this 3 times a week. Like you exercise your body, exercise your face. This is the perfect face lifting treatment.
And it takes 2 minutes.
It takes 2 minutes.
Okay.
If you don't have 2 minutes, if you have 30 seconds or a minute, use microcurrenting. And that's what I do best. I combine traditional face yoga with the other forms of parallel yoga and skin tech.
So what is this device? Let's talk about that.
Microcurrenting is a device which actually gives small electric shocks to the muscles.
Okay.
Muscles get weak because of free radical damage. Think of it like a hair strand. Yeah. Now your hair strand is nice and glossy and shiny जब आप पैदा होते हो. But as we age, split ends आ जाते हैं,
Damage.
damage आ जाती है. The same thing happens to the muscle as well.
Okay.
With these electric shocks that you're actually giving your face, you are actually now tightening those muscles, plumpening the muscles up. Collagen हम instantly नहीं build कर सकते, but muscle plumpening हम कर सकते हैं, and that is where this Facelift Pro microcurrenting device actually immediately lifts the face. So I just put in my collagen serum because microcurrenting needs an activator to start. You can't use it. ये vibration technique नहीं है, ये currenting technology है, and you'll see. Do you see my muscle twitch?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm? Yeah,
Yeah. So you do this how many times?
about 6 times.
6 times.
30 seconds is all it takes. This is going to immediately lift, tone, and tighten your face naturally, non-invasively, without injections. And the सबसे बड़ा takeaway of this technology is it helps patients with facial paralysis.
Wow. Really? That's amazing. Okay. The next one is slimmer jawline के लिए जो jawline contouring होती है as a procedure.
Perfect. So jawline के लिए आप guasha यूज़ कर सकते हो. उसके अलावा आप मेरा jaw de-stressor exercise यूज़ कर सकते हो, where you bend your finger, place 2 fingers here. There's a lot of muscle tension we tend to store in our masseter. You go firmly, of course you'll use face oil before you do this, all the way around like this. जब आप यहाँ पे पहुँचोगे, you'll feel a lot of pain. You'll feel that muscle stiffness that I'm talking about. And then you initiate a drain like this all the way till your collarbone. This becomes your first jaw shaper or de-stressor. The second jawline definer exercise, which I highly recommend, is called my TMJ push. Because we tend to, all of us love eating. We eat so much, sometimes 5-6 times a day, and we're chewing. So this muscle gets very stiff, which leads to loose skin here. All of this area becomes very, very loose. Of course, everything is connected. So you find your TMJ point. You de-stressed from below. Now you de-stress from top, where you'll find your TMJ point. This muscle. Place your thumb there. Hold it for 10 seconds. And then move your jaw up and down 10 times. If you do this with me, you'll hear crackling sounds in your ear. That's your de-stressing.
Yeah.
Find the muscle, elongate your jaw. Let's do it for 10. Hold for 10. No, hold for 10. As long. If you can't fit 4 fingers in your mouth, that means it's very stressed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's move your jaw up and down 10 times. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slide your thumb.
This crackling noise is supposed to be like there's stress?
Yeah, so that's de-stressing. And then you take your thumb, slide it from the back of your ear all the way across till your collarbone, wriggle and release.
So the drainage is pretty much at the end of a lot of
equally important
exercises. Okay.
This is now also going to ensure that you have a firmer, tighter, tauter jawline.
Okay. What about nose thinning or shaping, जिसके लिए काफ़ी सारे लोग nose job करते हैं.
Nose job जैसा result नहीं दे सकती मैं for sure. But होता क्या है, जैसे हमारी aging होती है, I like to give a lot of examples. So जैसे हमारे butts expand होते हैं as we age, our nose muscles also get lethargic. And nose aging 2 types की होती है. या तो आपकी nasalis muscle, nostrils expand होंगे, या जो ये tip है वो hook shape में bend हो जाएगा. Yeah, sometimes you have both if you're very unlucky. So for that you can start lifting this. You make an A, you lift this muscle, take the finger of your other hand, tuck it into your third eye point, lift it up. So you do this about 10 times, 3 times a week as clockwork. And if you feel, because a lot of people feel that, oh, itni mehnat karni padegi, then you just use like a 3D massager, which will do the same things. It vibrates. And then you just lift this up. It'll get placed on your acupressure point around the eye and go all the way. So now for anybody who's lazy, watch your Netflix, watch your YouTube, and then keep doing this lifting for tightening these muscles. So again, you have both traditional face yoga and then vibration or modern tech in it.
You have the tools.
You have the tools.
Okay. And the last one जो काफ़ी common है जो है Botox fillers for wrinkles or under eyes.
Yes.
You call them crow's legs also. You call them extreme wrinkling. And this happens when you don't even sleep, right? Now
Yeah.
say you're not slept and in the morning you want to look a little bit refreshed. उसके लिए क्या exercise हो सकती है?
उसके लिए आप मेरी अंडर आई बैलेंसर एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हो, where you take 2 fingers, place your thumbs anywhere on your face, you look up and you massage this under eye like this 20 times, lift it up and relax. Now remember, when you're doing lifting techniques, anti-aging, fine line reduction techniques, you will lift, wriggle, build that muscle memory and leave your hands. Anytime you're doing de-stressing, lymphatic drainage, you will come all the way down.
Okay.
Again, for this we also have a tool.
What is the tool? This is going to be my best friend.
Okay. I hope I've given you
Yeah.
one, otherwise I'll give you this
Yeah.
one. This is a collagen roller.
Okay.
Brilliant for fine lines, one of the safest tools in the world. So you have your crow's feet, crow's leg lines here.
Yeah.
And all you do is, after you've applied your eye cream, just go up and down here in a plus sign and a multiplication sign all over. You can also use this for your smile lines. You can use this for lines on your lips,
So is it just crow's lines or is it under your eye as well?
under your eye as well. In fact, the beauty of this tool is you get lines on your upper eyelid as well. Now here we can do a little bit of pinching with face yoga, but we have to be very, very subtle. With this tool, you can actually go all the way on your upper eyelid. It's absolutely pain-free. And now whatever eye cream that our hands cannot massage and penetrate into the deepest layer of our skin, the tool can do.
How do you do it under eye?
Just go.
Just in like horizontal motions.
Yeah, so everything is a horizontal and a vertical motion like this.
How many times?
12 times at least for the under eye to be plumped up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
You can actually use this one for hand aging as well. We talk so much
Yeah.
about face aging, but
Yeah,
hand aging
is a thing.
is a thing as well. So yeah, that's face yoga and face tools for you.
Okay. आप बहुत बार कहते हो कि आई क्रीम जो फेस ऑयल है और काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं मार्केट में, जैसे रेटिनॉल इज़ नंबर 1, राइट? जो इट्स लाइक एवरीबडी यूजेस इट, एवरीबडी टॉक्स अबाउट इट. हाउ डू यू गो अबाउट सिलेक्टिंग व्हाट्स राइट फॉर यू? क्योंकि हर एक किसी के इंडिविजुअल की स्किन इतनी अलग होती है किसी और से. व्हाट्स द प्रोडक्ट फॉर यू, द मैजिक प्रोडक्ट?
So I don't believe in retinol.
Okay.
I
Unpopular opinion.
very unpopular opinion. I think retinol has a lot of side effects.
Okay.
And that's where I've used my voice to actually go and talk about it. There's a more natural ingredient, alternative available, which is organic, Cosmos France certified, called Revenage.
Okay.
The natural retinol, it does exactly the same thing without the side effects, without the skin peeling, without...
रेटिनॉल के साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स क्या होते हैं?
रेटिनॉल के साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स होते हैं स्किन पीलिंग, स्किन कैंसर, organ damage, birth side defects as well. And if you actually Google it, the UK government has banned over-the-counter sale of retinol, anything above 0.3%.
Wow. And 0.5 is very common right now. I think I'm using a 0.5 right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's where it takes face yoga disruptors like me to come in and promote this unpopular opinion
Okay.
that there are healthier options.
ठीक है, तो इस ऑप्शन के बारे में बात करते हैं. वो कहाँ पे मिलता है? What is it called? What is the product?
This is Revenage.
Okay.
It's an ingredient. So ये हमारी multivitamin night cream में मिलता है. It's called our multivitamin night cream, and Revinage. If you just do Revinage on houseofbeautyindia's website, you can actually get this cream. It's
Okay.
a very popular cream for us.
Okay. Or this is for full application, face application?
Full face application, it takes care of acne, it takes care of pigmentation, it takes care of dryness. And the beauty of this product is it works on oily skin as well, because with oily skin we are so scared to apply anything that this one actually balances the pH of the skin.
Okay.
But agar aapki dry skin hai, then you'll need a facial oil application on top of it, so your layering step will increase to 1.
Okay. आप collagen के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. I think that one has a little bit of collagen. Let's talk about oral supplements, right? Like, I'll give you an example. I'm vegetarian,
Yeah.
so I'm like strict vegetarian. So I've started a vegetarian collagen supplement, which it's basically a powder
Yeah.
that you add water to and you have it, and it's been like about 3-4 days. What is your take on the collagen that you take inside your body, or things that people take thinking that it's going to affect hair, skin, and nails?
So, unfortunately, vegan or vegetarian collagen
It's not as great as
Does-
marine collagen.
exactly doesn't really work. And even if you're having marine collagen or bovine collagen, does not mean that suddenly you'll get your collagen levels will increase. It's a very slow process. So you'll have to actually go anywhere between 6 months to 12 months to start seeing the results of even non-vegetarian collagen. For a vegetarian, if you are on vegetarian collagen, you're actually satisfying yourself, which is great. Do that. But in my opinion, just start having basic every day a bowl of hummus or rajma or chana, black chana, any of these natural forms. Start having celery, start having pumpkin soup, and you will now initiate the collagen synthesis of your body. And that's what you're actually doing. Whether we're taking marine collagen or we are taking vegetarian collagen, we are only initiating the synthesis in our own body, which has gotten slow. And you need an activator. Might as well just include it in your diet, which will be a more healthier option.
Okay, so the top 5 foods for collagen, according to you, are...
Both vegetarian and non-vegetarian sources.
Let's separate it. Let's do vegetarian and then we'll do non-vegetarian.
So vegetarian sources of collagen will be chana, white chana,
Okay.
black chana, kidney beans, rajma, celery, and beetroots.
Okay.
Yeah. Now another key factor while you're having all 5 of these is इसके ऊपर आपको थोड़ा सा नींबू छिड़कना पड़ेगा और some source of vitamin C, because collagen आपकी body में सिर्फ vitamin C के साथ ही absorb हो सकता है या synthesis initiate हो सकते हैं, which is very important. Now when we go to the non-vegetarian sources of collagen, you of course have your marine collagen, you have chicken, you have bone broth, you have bovine. Yeah, and those are the primary, and salmon as well, and which basically comes in the marine category.
Correct.
While you're doing this, for anybody who is a non-vegetarian eater, I always give them this little hack. So build your bone broth at home, boil it, sieve it into half. Now make ice cubes of this jelly, store it in your freezer. Every time you're cooking, it could be a sabzi as well, just take 2 of these ice cubes, put it in the sabzi. किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा the difference in taste, because otherwise you may not like the taste of it. But your entire family is actually getting the benefit of it.
Of the broth.
Of the broth, because collagen is not just for your skin, hair and nails, but it's the lining of your organs, it's the lining of your joints. So now everybody is on a more healthier, holistic diet.
Yeah. Very interesting that you said this about ice cubes. So I do this. I have amla, ginger, and curry leaves. Actually, it's like a paste that you make. Make a very concentrated form of it in an ice cube. And every morning I just add water, and that's the first thing I have every morning. Are there certain concoctions like this that's basic in terms of food and diet that people can follow? कि काफ़ी आसानी से हो सकता है, क्योंकि this I find very easy to do, right? Like I made a batch and then every day I just consume a little bit.
Yeah. So yes, absolutely. In fact, I do recommend this to a lot of my clients as well. The first one, in case you have acne, is you take dhania, pudina, and amla or nimbu, any of these. Make a small shot, that green
Yeah.
shot, and have it. This is a blood purifier. So now your acne will start to reduce.
Yeah.
Similarly, if you have extremely dry skin, as basic as it is, ghee with a pinch of turmeric or haldi and warm water, first thing to balance the system. If you have dark circles, beetroot and spinach. Now you don't need a big glass. Ice cube bana lo, garam pani dal lo, roz subah pee lo, because you're now initiating or increasing the iron quotient in your body, and your dark circles are also linked to an iron deficiency, and that's where you have another concoction shot right there for you.
Wow. So can you combine any of these? So say if it's what you said for amla and mint
Yeah.
and dhania
Yeah.
and the beetroot.
Yeah.
Can you combine them to make one super juice, or does it have to be separate?
No, it should ideally be separate.
Okay.
Because when you have too many ingredients at the same time, then all of them will not get absorbed. Instead, I like to map it to the skin type or customize it a little bit. If you do want the benefit of all of it, just have it on alternate days. So have like a dhania pudina shot on one day and a beetroot spinach shot on another day and an amla or ghee shot on the third day, and you will benefit all of it.
And when you do it in rotation, it kind of helps.
Correct.
Okay.
So like seed cycling, right? You just cycle your shots.
Let's talk about diet, right? How do we kind of consciously make choices कि ये type of food जो है will overall benefit how I look, how my hair looks, how my skin feels, whether you're vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I feel live your life for sure. जो पसंद है ज़रूर करो, लिमिट में करो. 5 days a week, follow a religious holistic diet, make the conscious wise choice, but again do it in a way that is applicable to you. Because विभूति ने आके तो कह दिया कि रोज़ आपने बीटरूट शॉट करना है. अगर आपका लाइफस्टाइल, आपका एक्सेस, आपका अंदर से मोटिव नहीं जाग रहा है, आप 1 हफ्ता करोगे, 2 हफ्ता करोगे, उसके बाद छोड़ दोगे. सो नाउ वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपका लाइफस्टाइल क्या है और आप क्या लॉन्ग टर्म कर सकते हो. इसके अलावा ऑलवेज इंश्योर दैट यू गेट 5 fruits or vegetables a day. Yeah, in the world of processed foods, 5, which is not very difficult. 2 fruits in the morning, 1 vegetable in the
Lunch,
afternoon
yeah.
or lunch, 1 salad whenever you get a chance, and 1 vegetable for dinner.
Yeah.
हो गए आपके 5.
Yeah.
It's that easy, but we tend to forget it. We go for the Frankie and the pizza.
Yeah.
Do that 2 days a week. Satiate your soul. But rest of the 5 days, follow this long-term lifestyle, and you wouldn't have to change.
Yeah, it's like a more balanced approach.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about tools. And you're very clearly, you're into this space because you have tools for everything. But और भी काफ़ी सारे जो tools है market में. Like for example, the red light therapy, right? Which is sometimes for your hair, sometimes for your face. Is it effective? Is it not effective? Should people invest in it? What are your thoughts?
Of course, affordability does play a big role here. Red light therapy is highly effective, not just for anti-inflammatory reasons, for hair growth, for pigmentation reduction, for collagen boosting, for so much more. And this is not me talking. Actually, red light therapy was developed by NASA, because when their astronauts travel into space, there's a lot of skin wounds that surface when they're so close to the sun, the infrared rays. They're in a controlled atmosphere. When they come back to the Earth atmosphere, it's a change, and that's where they developed this technology to understand the skin and ensure that the cellular regeneration happens at a much faster level. Today, 10, 20, 30 years later, this technology is available for all of us for commercial use, and if you can afford it, why not, right? Make the use of it.
So what would you recommend? What exact products? Like we would like to add links, right? So like earlier when it comes to the alternative to retinol, there's a place that people can go. But there are so many options that people have with red light. Like for example, when I was looking it up on Amazon, I was like, which way do I go? The price points are so different. I don't know what's effective. So what do you have to say about that?
So definitely look at the light bulbs. Look at the wavelengths one is presenting. Look at the company, the sourcing of the company, because that is very important, and that's where your choice comes into being. Also map it to your purpose.
That's red light?
That's red light.
Okay.
I have a mini red light wand, which actually is for dark circle correction.
Okay.
You can also do mild collagen boosting and lifting with it.
Okay.
We have the whole mask, which is the Pro mask. So there's a shield, which is affordable, and then there's the Pro mask, which is actually used at a dermatologist's clinic. Now you can bring it home, wear it 2 times a week, and ensure that your face, skin, hair, and nails are good.
This is available on your website?
It's all available on our website.
Amazing. Okay.
We actually do the largest portfolio of tools globally.
Wow.
And it wasn't me who realized this. Ghazal actually told me that, you're the only one face yoga teacher who has such a gigantic portfolio.
That's amazing. That's amazing. And I hope that more people can go and see, because I'm finding this so incredible in terms of just access, right? Because पहले क्या होता था कि spa जाना है, या we have to go to the salon, we have to go to somewhere to get this done. But you actually decentralized the entire operation and said, घर पे भी कर सकते हैं.
That's the basis of what I'm trying to build here. Because I think somewhere down the line, because of my travel, because of the fact that I've lived abroad, when I moved back, I saw the gap in the market. And jaise Tatas want to build a more, want to give access to a lot of things in India. I'm on that mission, at least in the beauty segment.
That's amazing.
That I want to make things accessible to every Indian at whatever affordable price point is possible.
Okay.
Coming back to the red light, there's a red light scalp massager as well.
Really?
So there's red light in so many forms.
Yeah.
Right? You can use it for your hair, you can use it for your eyes, you can use it for your face, you can use it for your stretch marks, you can use it for your hands, you can use it for your cortisol reduction.
Wow.
Every time I wear a red light mask, the first thing I realized, because the skin effects you'll see long term.
Correct.
But the immediate effect that I realized was I sleep better that night.
So this mask is it like a face mask, or is it like a mask?
It's a heavy mask.
It's a heavy
mask.
mask. Okay.
It has 7 lights.
Okay.
Mapping each issue. So depending. Now every day you might not want collagen boosting. Some days there's an acne which has come up, so I need blue light therapy. I'm puffy on a certain day. I need green light. There's
and how long do you do this masking for?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Okay. And your eyes are open, your eyes are closed in the mask. I'm very intrigued about this mask.
So it depends. There's a rubber lining. You can open your mask as well. But if you are giving 30 minutes to yourself, you might as well put your phone off. Don't watch television and enjoy.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Amazing. What about ice rollers? There's a lot about ice rollers, dipping your face in ice. A lot of celebrities do that. How effective is it?
So occasionally done, they're very effective. It's good to dunk your face every now and then. But if you do it every week or too often, just the way you get a heat burn, you can actually get an ice burn and an ice scar when you apply direct ice and so much of it onto your face. And that is where ice rollers actually became popular, because they're not at 0 degrees Celsius. They're actually at 2 degrees or 3 degrees, which does not constrict your blood vessels, which protects your skin in a way that you do not end up with open pores or breakouts. And an ice burn or an ice scar can later on lead to pigmentation.
Right.
So yeah, अगर हम अपने दादी नानी के नुस्खे देखें, they would always take ice, put it in a malmal cloth and then apply it.
There's a layer in between.
There's a layer, yeah. We forgot that. आइस रोलर खरीदना आसान है, ठीक है, हम बेचते हैं, आप खरीदो. But that's a healthier option vis-a-vis putting direct ice on your face.
Okay. What about silk cushion covers? मैंने किया है. I have recently moved to silk cushions because somebody I'm working with said that, you know, it's just a moisture thing, that they absorb far less moisture than cotton when it comes to, for your hair, for your skin, for your just overall face. It leaves a little bit more hydration. What is your opinion on that?
Which is true. So if you have extremely oily skin, I'd say a silk cushion or a pillow will not work for you. You need cotton to absorb that
it, yeah.
off you. But as you're aging, you know, our skin tends to get much more dry. Our hair tends to get static.
Yeah.
So over there, a silk cushion or a pillow would work.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't fret over it.
Okay, it's not
As long as you get a good night's sleep, it's all
it's
good.
not a game changer.
It's not a game changer.
Okay. What about the gua sha? So much out there, so many different gua sha products. और लोगों को पता भी नहीं है कि exactly कैसे यूज़ करते हैं और कितने समय के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. So if you could talk about that.
So gua sha actually is scraping therapy for blood circulation, for stagnation of blood or lymph, stagnation of chi भी उसको कहते हैं. Because आपका fluid जो stagnant है, muscle जो stagnant है, अब move कर रहा है, drainage हो रहा है, a byproduct of it is contoured cheeks, chiseled jawline, because now you've initiated that drainage जो आपने कभी किया नहीं. And that is where people get a lot of good results. But again, if you say that ये मैं liposuction का मुझे effect मिल जाएगा gua sha से, let's set the context right, ये नहीं होने वाला है.
Okay.
But it's a very good healthy practice, not just for your face but your entire body as well. You can use a comb gua sha for your scalp blood circulation, because ये आपके मर्मा points को जाके it actually pains, it hurts, it's not that easy to do it. So अगर आपकी acne prone skin है, I never recommend a gua sha.
Okay.
Ever. Because you will burst your acne, you'll burst your pimples, and you know
Yeah,
there'll be
it'll spread,
scarring.
yeah.
But if you have normal to combination skin, dry skin, gua sha can be your best friend for an immediate lift. It's a much more affordable option as well. Not everybody is comfortable with electronic tools,
Yeah.
so it's a manual tool.
Correct.
And that's where the comfort comes in.
Okay. What about blue light? You said that आपके mask में अलग-अलग settings होते हैं, red light, blue light, different needs of the body. But blue light, are they effective on acne?
Yes, blue light is pretty effective on acne, but again it's a combination. सिर्फ अगर मैं blue light mask use करूँगी मेरा acne नहीं dry होगा. My face wash has to be correct. I need to use gel based or salicylic acid based products as well, जहाँ पे मेरा acne जल्दी dry हो रहा है. And then the mask becomes on top of it as an external supplement.
जो supplementary आप बात
Yeah,
करते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
Okay. You worked with Alia Bhatt, you worked with Malaika Arora. What are some of the tools that you've given them?
So you'll be surprised. I haven't given them any tool.
Oh,
They've
really?
purchased it off our website.
Okay, what are some of the exercises that you've made them do?
Yeah. So okay, I'll give you both.
Yeah.
So the Facelift Pro is Malaika's favorite.
Okay.
The 24K massager, we've called it the Alia Bhatt massager because one morning we woke up and she was all over YouTube using our massager,
Yeah.
which was amazing. With Malaika, she loves the balloon exercise. It's actually called, it's popularized as the balloon pose on YouTube, but in my book, it is my slapping piano exercise.
Wow.
This is a brilliant exercise for collagen boosting, for facelifting, for plumping, and pre-makeup. Instead of the ice facial, try doing this. You will get a nice natural flush, and highlighter की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. You'll radiate, you'll glow inside out.
Okay. Wow. That's amazing. अब इस सेक्शन में we will bust some myths, ठीक है? क्योंकि काफ़ी सारे debates चलते हैं कि what's right, what's wrong, what's fact, what's myth. So I'll tell you the statement and you have to tell me, is it a fact or is it a myth? Okay. Face yoga can permanently reverse aging.
Nothing can permanently reverse aging. Not even plastic surgery.
Yeah.
So, but face yoga can take 5 years off your face. Yes.
Okay. Face yoga wrinkles create करता है instead of reducing them.
Myth. Absolute myth. Face yoga wrinkles reduce करता है, muscle health improve करता है, and overall आपके face पे glow लाता है.
Gua sha और jade rollers सिर्फ marketing gimmicks है.
जिसने ट्राई नहीं किया उसको पता नहीं है, जिसने किया वो जानते हैं, ये फैक्चुअल है.
फेस योगा एक मार्केटिंग ट्रेंड है विदाउट एनी साइंटिफिक बेसिस.
Face yoga is in its nascent stage. JAMA Dermatology, Northwestern University, Finberg School of Medicine, Harvard School of Medicine सब आज की डेट में रिसर्च कर रहे हैं और कर चुके हैं on the benefits of face yoga and face massage. So definite myth.
Okay. Face yoga delivers immediate visible results.
My 5-step structured approach, definitely some of the exercises give you immediate results. But if you're looking at traditional face yoga poses, they have more long-term benefits.
Traditional face yoga poses in the sense?
Simhasana, the lioness pose, fish pose, holding, these have more long-term effects. But the structured approach where you combine massage, you de-stress the points, give you immediate benefits, as we saw.
Right. Okay. So let's talk about holistic wellness जो है, right? Can face yoga, because it increases blood circulation जो है, जो lymphatic drainage आप बात कर रहे थे, does it have any other connection in the body, जैसे gut health या just overall well-being, like hair, skin and nails is often combined as a group, तो उस पे क्या effect होता है?
Face yoga and face massage actually has an immense effect on gut health. जैसे हमारा LI acupressure point, ये हमारा एक gut health point है. So अगर आप इसको press करें, it will pain. Your irritable bowel syndrome also reduces because of this. When you are massaging the face, आपके anxiety levels reduce हो जाते हैं. In fact, Harvard School of Medicine has shown and done the research on the direct implication of face massage to gut health improvement as well.
Wow. Okay. So that's very good to know. Okay. Sleep quality में, how can if there is a tool or just जो face massage आपने कहा था, which is your 5-step routine, does it show benefits in your sleep quality as well?
जब आपकी muscle stiffness reduce हो जाती है, जब आपका you're pressing your third eye point, you're pressing your temple triangle, हमारे यहाँ पे 3 points हैं, आप उसको de-stress कर रहे हो, आपकी overall sleep quality improve हो जाती है. एक habit formation हमारी ज़िंदगी में आ जाती है, which is different from Instagramming at night, but now before bed मैं प्राणायाम कर रही हूँ, मैं cool down कर रही हूँ. इसके अलावा मेरी TTC में मैं अपनी टीचर्स को योग निद्रा सिखाती हूँ, which is not just of your body but more of your mind as well, to ensure that people go into a meditative state of trance so that later on when they are going to bed they can actually unwind and sleep better. So all of these factors help in better sleep.
Okay. और जो physical appearance है वो एक बात है, right? Like you can immediately see, like you said, the glow or like the lift. But क्या ये चीज़ emotional, mental well-being से भी linked है?
मैं आपसे एक question पूछती हूँ. Do you feel happy and confident when you look good?
Yeah.
Do you speak better when you're confident? Do you bring an array of positivity to the room?
Yeah.
That is your emotional well-being. That is your mental health. That is your drive to do better. And all of this starts here. It may seem very narcissist, it may seem very superficial, but that is the reality. 2 twins can go for an interview. One can feel good about him or herself and the other one can be underconfident just because of the appearance. And that is how face yoga, healthy techniques, olfactory activators work on mental health.
Wow. Okay. Let's talk a little bit about body care, right? Like we were speaking earlier, कि काफ़ी सारा products या काफ़ी सारे procedures है in terms of processes कि do your oiling, do your moisturizing, do your scrubs. लोगों को काफ़ी intimidate कर सकता है कि this is too much, right? Like I feel like the more minimal my routine is, the more manageable it is for my schedule because I don't have the time. What are the absolute essentials, right? जो लोगों को कभी miss नहीं करनी चाहिए in terms of processes.
I think washing your face with face wash
Twice a day.
twice a day is very important.
Yeah.
Also because of the fact that we live in polluted cities, there's a lot of oxidative stress, dirt, grime all around. And moisturizing your entire body. नहाने के बाद हम रोज़ आयुर्वेदिक मसाज नहीं कर सकते, पर आप 2 मिनट बॉडी लोशन या तेल अपने बॉडी पे लगा सकते हो. एंड दिस इज़ नॉट जस्ट एट अ स्किन लेवल. अगर आप रोज़ अपनी बॉडी पे मसाज करोगे, आप अपनी इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट कर रहे हो क्योंकि आपकी लिम्फेटिक ड्रेनेज हो गई, स्टैग्नेशन निकल गई, बॉडी डिटॉक्स हो गई. इसके अलावा it's life throws so much at you. I've had so many women who've come up to me and told me, Vibhuti, because of the fact that you told us to massage my body, I realized I had a lump in my breast. I realized I had a lump on my underarm, which otherwise would have gone unnoticed. So these two things are so important for any man or woman to be in sync with who you are, yourself, and then live a holistic life.
Wow. So 2 questions here. First is, how do you choose that oil for your entire body? Can it be just basic, jo you told me earlier, even like a basic coconut oil works, right? You don't have to put so much thought into it. What's the type of oil that people can use to just feel that sense of oneness that you're talking about?
It could be as basic as a coconut oil,
Yeah.
a good grade virgin coconut oil, because otherwise it's going to smell and you don't want your garment stained
Yeah.
all day. अगर आप oil लगा रहे हो तो आप oil रात को लगाओ, otherwise daytime body lotion with a little bit of SPF लगा लो. Shea butter based basic body lotion with sunscreen. आपकी body pigmentation भी नहीं होगी, आपकी body protected रहेगी, hydrated रहेगी. And today most of the lotions have hyaluronic acid and niacinamide in them, so you're good to go.
Okay. You said something very important, that women detected lumps, and very often in breast cancer or diseases, early detection can be the fine line, right, between it being too late for, unfortunately, a lot of women. Is there any way or a technique or a massage that you think can, like, how do you identify something like that that's not normal, it's abnormal in your body?
I have actually put 2 videos of this massage
Okay.
on my Instagram and
Okay.
YouTube pages. I will send you
And we'll link them
I will
down
send
below.
you a link where I'm demonstrating
Hmm.
all of how to do this, and yeah.
And that can help you in early detection. Okay. What about stretch marks? Yeah, you know, wo jo lines dikhte hai. There's also something called the strawberry legs, which is on the skin and it's very evident. How do you tackle these bodily issues?
So stretch marks happen because of collagen tear.
Hmm.
This typically happens in 2 scenarios. Either you are overweight and your skin is getting stretched, or you're losing too much weight too fast. Both also happen in the case of pregnancy, and that's where you get stretch marks. Stretch marks can be avoided if you actually nourish, hydrate your skin thoroughly. What I have found 2 ingredients to be absolutely essential for stretch mark reduction is sea buckthorn oil and a 30,000 IU unit vitamin E oil. A combination of this is brilliant to ensure that while you're going through pregnancy, you do not get stretch marks. Now, if you have already developed stretch marks, then just the oil is not going to help. Microneedling, initiating the auto-healing response of your body, is very important to rebuild these collagen fibers. This could be found in the form of derma rollers. Different needle sizes, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, are legally allowed, sold over the counter. You use that 2 times a week all over your body, and your stretch marks will start to reduce. Slow process, will take 8 to 10 months. Be patient, but you'll get visible results. If you want that change, you have to work hard towards it.
Yeah.
Coming to strawberry legs or keratosis pilaris. Now, this is because either your waxing, laser, or hair removal has gone wrong. Your skin, now our skin is shedding, or there's a dead skin layer which gets formed over, and this has not shed correctly because you've not scrubbed your skin out maybe once a week or once a month also, and the hair is trapped under it. Wrong waxing, the hair is broken, the follicle is left inside, the superficial hair has come out. Now this can actually easily be tackled by a technique called dry brushing or basic salt scrub. Just take salt, put it in olive oil, scrub at least before your waxing appointments, and your keratosis pilaris and strawberry legs can be avoided.
Which brings me to very interesting long-term effects of laser hair removal, right? What is the other effects, other impacts?
Long-term laser removal is very, very beneficial because it actually not just takes the hair follicle from the root, it also shrinks the pore. So now your skin is much smoother. While you are doing this, you need to be very aware of the type of technology because certain ancient technologies lead to pigmentation, skin darkening, hyperpigmentation of the body. But the newer age technologies like IPL lasers, which are so easy, you can use it at home as well yourself, are pretty decent for long-term hair reduction.
Are there any side effects?
None proven yet.
None proven. Okay. I think that this has been such a fascinating conversation that has gone into many different directions, right? We've spoken about hair, we've spoken about skin, we've spoken about certain diet, we've spoken about supplements, we've spoken about face tools, we've spoken about body. But say that there's somebody who's watching, जिन्हें आज this process या this जो journey है towards more holistic well-being with face yoga, which is taking care of their body, taking care of their self, if they want to begin it today, what are the non-negotiables to begin that process? And let's really boil it down, right? Because what happens is everybody feels very intimidated when there's a lot of information out there that you can do all of these different things. But if you were to really boil it down and say, do these 3 things or do these 5 things that are very simple to implement in a very busy lifestyle, what would those be for you?
For me, it would be waking up, washing your face with face wash, doing my 1-minute Vibhuti massage, non-negotiable, doing 2 minutes of pranayam before bed. It could be a basic Chandra Behdi pranayam, which is inhalation through your left and exhalation through your right. That's your cool down breath and not the other way around. Moisturizing your body, which we just spoke about. And कुछ नहीं समझ आता, फेस योगा बहुत confusing है, tools बहुत confusing है, I'm on a budget. हाथ लो, just start tapping your scalp, your forehead, your temple, your collarbone region, your underarm, and then your body, and go in for your shower. You will do all of the lymphatic drainage, you'll get all of the benefits we spoke about.
Okay.
And that becomes a very, very minimal, a very, very basic routine for anybody watching out there.
And in terms of diet, anything that you say is a holy grail, like just start with this and see how it goes?
Start, if you're not diabetic, start your day with a banana, 2 black raisins soaked overnight, and include those 5 fruits and vegetables every day. Baki jo khana hai khao, jo karna hai karo, but pani piyo for sure, and you're good.
And you're good. Okay, so we've simplified and boiled it down for people to really begin this journey towards wellness. Thank you so much, Vibhuti. It's been lovely. मैंने बहुत सीखा. I'm making mental notes of everything that I'm gonna do, and really a fascinating episode. And I hope to have you on again so that we can discuss other topics in more detail.
Thank you so much for hosting and having me here and giving me a voice.
No,
I
absolutely.
really enjoyed it.
Yeah, and I urge our subscribers to go and check out your links. And I find the products amazing. I've been looking at them, but I'm excited that you're bringing this revolution to the beauty industry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We hope this episode added value to your lives. Join the Realign movement. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.